Hey everybody, it's Travis with Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and just want to make a video to explain what permaculture is. A lot of people ask that question, and I'm going to explain it in more detail right now to you. And so what is permaculture? Permaculture is a design science and practice that creates sustainable human environments by mimicking natural ecosystems, and it combines agriculture, ecology, and other disciplines to develop self-sustaining systems that provide for human needs and also enhance the health of our planet and enhance biodiversity. Now, here are some key aspects of permaculture. We work with nature, not against nature, and permaculture emphasizes observing natural patterns and processes and design systems that integrate seamlessly with the environment. And permaculture takes a holistic approach. It considers the whole system, understanding that everything is interconnected. A change in one area can affect the entire system. And it's also about sustainability. Permaculture aims to create a system that is not only productive, it's self-sustaining and resilient over the long term. And it is diversity. It encourages diversity in plants, animals, and other elements to create a stable and productive ecosystem. And it is resource efficiency. Permaculture emphasizes minimizing waste, conserving resources, and maximizing the use of on-site materials. So everything in a landscape, we try to use everything. We try to capture all the energy of that landscape. And here's some common permaculture techniques that we use. Food forest gardening, and that's mimicking the structure and function of a natural forest to create a productive food forest or food producing system. And then we also, with that, we use companion planting. Okay, growing different plants together benefit each other, such as providing pest control, improving soil fertility, and nitrogen fixing, soil building. We got dynamic accumulators, and so forth. And then we have water harvesting. We collect and store rainwater for later use in irrigation or other purposes, or we capture the water, the rainfall in the soil, and we keep it in your system. And we also use composting, and that is recycling organic waste and turning it into nutrient-rich soil amendments. And permaculture can be applied in a wide range of settings, from small urban environments and gardens to large homesteads and large farms. And it offers a way to create a more sustainable and more resilient human environment while also providing for our basic needs. And it provides an abundance of food so you can feed your family year after year after year for many years to come. So, in a nutshell, that is what permaculture is. So if you have any questions about it, you can email me or just go to my website at foodforestdesignminnesota.com and hit the contact form, and I have you can put your questions in there and they'll come right to me and I will get back to you. And if you are looking to transform your landscape into a food producing, self-sustaining, low maintenance, food producing space, get in contact with me. And this is the best time in Minnesota to design your property so you don't lose time in the spring and the summer. We design your property over the winter months so we are ready to put food in the ground as soon as spring comes around. So contact me anytime and subscribe, like, and share this video, comment on this video, and help me spread the word about growing food, because this is the best logical solution for all of us, and that is growing healthy, nutrient dense, locally grown food. Boy, I'm having trouble talking. I don't know why. But anyway, have an amazing day, my friends, and grow food, not lawns. See ya.